Another cool car here. So back to the 50s, 2023, 24th of June. So I know walk that way a little bit to my left, but too much music going on, so I'm going to try to work my way around all. That's kind of cool. The V8 in this bad boy. Let me see what it is. 64 Arcadian? I have no idea. But President A, it's a nice rarity right there. I sure did. So let's walk over here. Buick coming right over here behind me. So we'll walk that way. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Now we're gonna walk this way. So over here. A lot of music going that way, so I don't want to. Not to get a copyright strike. They just, whatever money you do make on it, they got to split with somebody, so you want to avoid that. $454, huh? A little military vehicle over there. '63 Nova.
Straight, go straight. Go straight.
So you got all kinds of cool stuff over here. This is a hell of a nice engine. What do you guys? Nice. When these videos come out, shoot, Thanksgiving's right on the corner. We're in full gala begging season on YouTube right now, man. It's like holy moly. Should be snow on the ground. Thanksgiving's coming up. What the hell, huh? Never hurts to ask. 1946. Jesus. Look at that engine. Look at that bad boy. Big dog. Cool four-door. Big one. Nice. Got a wagon over here. There's no crying at the car show. What is this one anyway? What the hell is this one? 62 Ford. Nice. This four-door over here. Nice. So we're gonna go over here, get around all these people over here. Or we could go over there, but there's too much music going on. We want to try to avoid that as much as possible. So I think that one I want to look at, the Snow White one is up here, I think. My favorite vehicle. Look at that bad boy, huh? Look at that.
I might have borrowed money to buy that.
That's nice. This is a nice one right here. Cadillac. You get some good Cadillacs, some of the bigger ones, for pretty good deals. People coming wants the big Mopars, and I get it, but look around, you want to spend 25 grand, be surprised you can get. In loving memory of Gary Jackson, he was born, hatched in 1923, he died 2014, so it must have been his car. Look at that bad boy. 1951. Oh my goodness. It's a gangster car, man. Driving around town. Love the color. Something different. Look at that one. See, I think these are cool. A lot of people won't look at these twice. What is this bad boy? He's from Hastings, doesn't say. 1951 Nash. Nice. See, I'd pop the hood in these things so if you look at the engines. That's motor idiots. So there's a lot of El Caminos out here, I see. That's a nice vehicle right there. You guys think about that one, huh?
Like they were going.
Over there, see right over there. Go look at that one. It was one of my next neighbor had one in my other neighbor's front yard while he was building his house. It's nice. It's a 327, this bad boy El Camino. Nice. Fun cars. Year is it? It is a 64. Nice. That's a nice one too right there. Oh, we got another one over here. I saw one lady. People don't like these, but I like these Thunderbirds. Again, you go back to my archives when I was coming back from Myrtle Beach. There was one that was sitting in front of the building, sitting there. So here it is. Look at this bad boy. What do you think? Can you see yourself riding that bad boy?
Oh my God, it's gorgeous.
What do you think?
Beautiful.
When's your birthday?
January 6th.
Well, you can always 2024.
Yeah.
You know, or Christmas in June.
Well, that's a good thing. But
You
I'm
get-
looking for a Plymouth Fury.
Go Google it. Oh, you looking to buy one?
Maybe.
Look online. Guarantee they're out there. Just Google it. You can find them. Trust me.
Okay.
I guarantee a lot of scrapyards too as well have them. You can get them for inexpensive and spend the money on it. Absolutely, they're out there all over the place.
Very good.
Why not? You can't die when you can't even die. Why not? I don't blame you. You too. I guarantee you could find one. Those ferries are nice. Over here. Oh, some over here, up in here. It's the sky thing. You can ride that bad boy back and forth if you want. From out there. Said you see all these different vehicles and GMC. I mean, I'm a truck guy, but they are cool. Old school trucks. 53. Nice color. I don't know what that Snow White one is. It might be up a little farther, but it's a classic Impala. They made some awards before, so it's called Snow White. It's just beautiful. Let's go over here. Two-seater.
Super cool.
Here's one over here. Look at this bad boy. Custom Royal. This is a 59 Dodge. Look at that bad boy. That is classic. That's nice. Good way to end the video in this one, huh? Nice. I like that, man. Anyways, guys, we'll be on the next one here. Back to 50s. I'll sit here in the shade a little bit. I'm gonna move on to something more substantial. The Dodge brothers would be proud.